How to create a Facebook lead ad here step by step on your Facebook account or ads manager. So let's start this video. Step 1 will be go to Facebook ads manager and click on the create option. Choose leads as your objective. In the campaign objective list, select leads. Name your campaign, example lead gen April 2025. Turn on advantage campaign button, click on continue. Then set up your ad set. Choose instant forms as the conversion location. Select the Facebook page that will run the ad. Set your daily or lifetime budget, start with $10 to $20 a day. Choose your audience. Use saved audiences or create new ones based on the age, location, or interest. Or use custom lookalike audiences. If you have them, choose placement. Automatic is easiest for the most. Set your schedule or proceed. Step 4 is create your ad. Choose ad format, single image, carousel, or video. Upload your creative images or videos. Write your primary text, headline, call to action that is called CTA or sign up or get quote. Step 5 is build your lead form. Click create form, choose your form type like more volume, shorter form, or leads, higher intent, add a review step, then add a headline and intro text that is optional. Choose the questions to ask, for example, name, email, phone. Add your privacy policy link required. Customize the thank you screen with CTA or redirect to a site. Keep form short 3. Questions max boost conversion. Step 6 is publish and monitor. Click publish when you're ready. Monitor results in Ads Manager. Check leads, cost per lead, and engagement. Download leads manually or connect to a CRM via Meta Lead Center. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.